The British invasion lives on.
Comes that rainy day feeling again.
The Fortunes are back and better than ever. John Washington, one of the founding members, is once again bringing the original sound and unique vocal style of the Fortunes to the Americas. Around the world, the Fortunes' classic hits are being played on the radio every day. Their timeless recordings, You've Got Your Troubles, I've Got Mine, and Here Comes That Rainy Day Feeling Again, remain two of the most played songs on contemporary radio today.
Trouble, I've got mine. She used to love me, that I know.
This internationally acclaimed act has been a vital force in the music business for the last 30 years. The Fortunes are veterans of numerous TV appearances, including The Ed Sullivan Show, Shindig, the Kraft Music Hall of Fame, American Bandstand, and Hullabaloo.
Girls are walking by, I know a boy shouldn't cry. Here it comes again, that feeling.
You can hear all the Fortunes' greatest hits, including Here It Comes Again, Freedom Come, Freedom Go, Seasons in the Sun, Storm in a Teacup, and many more in their action-packed, high-energy hit review.